So, are you facing this issue whenever you are previewing your site? The assistant, the preview mode open up in a very new tag, right? So, if you are facing this issue, I'm gonna solve it, in a real quick. So, what you have to do, you have to close this and then just type in here tag assistant, just this one. Go to the Google Chrome Web Store and then add it to your cart, add extension. Okay, after that you have to pin it over here, and now just preview it. So here we go. Now it doesn't open up in a very new tab. So this is how you can solve this issue. So thank you for watching this video.